guys, this is Terry from Aussie Diamond Paintings again. Thank you. I don't care if you see my address because I've moved. But yeah, welcome back to my channel. I have another untubing for you. Again, I have quite a few because I haven't been doing them for a while and I haven't even been opening them. So I received this one on the 11th of April. So it's a fair way back. Here we go. Again, I find this the easiest way to open Evermoments. Rather than trying to cut down the tube. And the only reason I'm having difficulty is because I have a very sore thumb that I'm actually going to the doctors about tomorrow. I don't know. I think it's just arthritis, but just have it checked out just to make sure. This one is a 34 colour and a 30 by 50. I have no idea what these paintings are. It's been too long since I've ordered them. And I don't keep records actually, so I can't get the thingamajiggy out. There we go. Okay. Normal Evermoment kit. I won't go through that again. I think everybody knows what Evermoment. I've got baggies and stickers and some, looks like some tattoos. And some bills. And looks like a pretty dark one with some pretty colours as well. I'm certainly not taking these ones out. Oh, a lot of 310s. I'll never ever get these back in, but with this one, there's a lot of blues and pinks and reds and purples, yellows. Wonder what it is. Well, it must be pretty dark. Must have a pretty dark background because there's a lot of 310s there. Ah, yes. This one is of the girl with the beach scene on her back. And there it is. And 34 colours, as I said earlier. I would say it actually goes this way for this one. It doesn't want to sit flat for me. I'll just give it a rub just in case the it's actually upside down. You can tell by the symbols that it was upside down. colours in this one. And a lot of 310s. Not to worry. Oops. Bit of the adhesive was coming off there. Okay, so you turn it around this way, and I think it's right side up for you. That is her back. It's a palm tree. Pull this side up. There are arms coming up here. Put that there so you can see it. You can't really. You don't want to get it on the canvas. That's the back of her head. And here are her arms coming out here. You got palm tree, and you've got the sunset in behind her. So that should be a pretty one to do, I think. Very sticky. The glue is a little bit over at the bottom, but along the side it's fine. And these are actually all upstairs. Most of my stuff is downstairs in storage, but these, of course, my diamond paintings are upstairs where they'll be safe and secure. I think I should be rolling it the other way. No, that's the way it was rolled, I think. So that's the end of that one. And I hope everybody's having a good day, or not, or whatever time it is there where you are. And there we go. Put this in. I'll photocopy that and make stickers with my sticker maker. That Diamond in the Rough was the first one to tell me about. And of course I went out and ran out and bought one. So there she blows. Again, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, just click on the subscribe button, and to get notifications of when I've uploaded a video, just press the bell and you'll get notifications. I have no schedule of when videos are going up, so you just have to get the notifications. Okay, have a great day everybody, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye for now.